Well, it turns out that not every VPN app works with every proxy. I think it was around May or June that Twitter was banned. And well, many people couldn't access it, but I didn't care because I knew that I'll just get a VPN and connect, and that was it. So I went to the Play Store and got a random VPN app. And yeah, I was flying with Twitter all day. But there was a day I decided to share that VPN connection using every proxy to my laptop, but Twitter didn't work. And I felt like, normally I just need to just change the IP address, change the port number, and I was connected. But what was happening? That was when I realized that, okay, not every VPN app works with every proxy. So because of this, I had to look for a VPN app that would work with every proxy. And I went to the Play Store and did more digging, and I found Browsec. Now, Browsec works flawlessly with every proxy, and it's free without ads. When you open the app for the first time, you're going to get 3 free servers you can choose from, and all you have to do is just tap on the button. I've made a tutorial for it already, but you just need to tap on the button and it's going to get connected instantly. And then just do your normal every proxy usage and you're good to go. So because Browsec was working so well, I didn't feel like there's a need to look for another VPN app until one day when all the servers just went down. Talk about putting all your eggs in one basket. That was when I realized that for me to not go through that again, I will have to look for maybe 3 or 4 VPN apps that will work with every proxy, so that in case one server goes down, I'll just jump to the next VPN app and carry on with my life. So in no particular order, we're going to start with Gecko VPN. And yeah, this is also a free VPN, but this one comes with ads. And if you don't want the ads, you just have to purchase the premium version of the app. But it has a handful of servers that you can choose from. All you have to do is just select one, and then you tap the power button and you get connected. It also has this smart proxy feature where you can decide to stop a certain app from using your internet connection. Browsec also has this feature, but it only works with one app. So let's say you live in Canada, which is a really nice place to be. I actually want to go to Canada. Anyways, let's say you live in Canada and you have a banking app that knows you're from Canada, and you switch your location to the Netherlands. Now, if you try to access your banking app, if it's a very good bank, they would see that this is unusual and they might stop you from using your account because they may feel like someone has hacked into your account from the Netherlands. So with this smart proxy feature, all you have to do is just say, okay, I don't want my banking app to use the VPN. I don't want my crypto wallet to use the VPN. All I want is these few apps that maybe are blocked in your country, or you just want to do something else. I don't know. And then those are the apps that are going to work with the VPN. So like I said, Browsec only allows you to unselect one app, while this one will give you all the options you need. That is Gecko will give you all the options you need. But one thing I found about the app, the Gecko app this time, is it doesn't show you all the apps you have on your device. At least for my device, it doesn't show me, but you guys can try it out to see if it works. And even if it doesn't, well, maybe after enough reviews, then the developers of the app will fix that issue and then create an update for it, so you guys will be able to manage all the apps you have on your device. Alright, so that's the first one we're going to talk about. Next one we're going to talk about is called VPNFi. Now, just like the name suggests, VPNFi is a free app, but it also contains ads. When you open the app for the first time, it's going to prompt you to choose or purchase the premium version, but you don't have to do that. Just tap on the back button and you're going to see all the free servers that you can choose from, and then you can carry on with whatever it is you want to do. Now, the better part about this app is it has that smart proxy feature as well. And this time you're going to see a list of all the apps you have on your device, not just your system apps. So you can use this one to select all the apps that you don't want to have a VPN connection, and then the ones that you want to have the VPN connection with, you can leave them the way they are. Now, one thing I feel like is possible with this VPN app is that you may be able to use it to play online games, like with the device you're sharing that internet connection with. So I haven't tried this yet, but I feel like you guys should try it out for yourselves, because I haven't had enough time to game as I normally do. So maybe try it out for yourselves and see if you'll be able to share your VPN connection using VPNFi, and let me know what happens in the comments. If it works, great. Maybe we'll look for more apps that can do this. But if it doesn't, then maybe it's not possible to game. I know you guys have been asking about online gaming with every proxy, but I haven't had any breakthroughs yet. So let's try this one out together and see. All right, moving to the next one, we have VPNFi. And this one is also going to ask you to choose a premium service if you open the app for the first time, but you can just tap continue with ads if you want the free experience, and that means you're going to get ads, so watch out for that. You also get that smart proxy feature here where you can select and unselect apps you don't want to use the VPN connection with. And yeah, this one also has a list of all the apps you have on your device. The reason why I like this app so far is because it has a very clean and modern interface. But on the other side of this app is the VPN app. So when I first saw the VPN app, I felt like, wow, this looks very old school and there's no way it's going to work. But then, you can't judge a book by its cover, so I decided to try it out and it was blazing fast. I mean, it has a lot of servers to choose from and all the ones that I tested were fast. And yeah, it's free, you should know that by now, and it also has that smart proxy feature, which you should also know by now. Anyways, you should know that it comes with ads, but if you don't want to see the ads, then just try out the premium version of the app and you should do fine. Alright, so the next app we're going to talk about that works really well with every proxy is called VPN Monster. Now, the special thing about this app is that it has its own internal browser. Like, you don't have to use Chrome or Firefox or whatever browser you have. If you use the browser that comes with the app, then whenever you're done using it, it's going to delete all your history, all the activities you carried out with the browser. So you don't have to worry about traces of all the things that you've carried out with the browser. And yeah, I feel like that's cool. Now, the only thing that this app is missing is that smart proxy feature, which kills me a little inside, but it also comes with ads, so by now you should know how to handle ads if you don't want to see them. Just pay for the premium version. Alright, so let's talk about the app that doesn't come with ads and is free and comes with 21 free servers. So the app is called VPN Speed app, and it kills me that I didn't find this app earlier. I mean, 21 free servers, no ads, and the app is free. It's like browser with more servers. Now, I do have to say this, you don't get all those special features like having smart proxy or having an internal browser. But, I mean, I don't have anything to complain about with this app. And the way to just use it is you just need to swipe to the right if you want to connect. I think that's how Tinder works. I haven't used Tinder, but I've had stories. Anyways, I would recommend you go try out this app. It works very well with every proxy, and hopefully the servers do not go down one day when you're too used to it. Alright, let's move to the final app on today's list, and it's called Flash VPN. Now, this is the first app that I tried, but it works. But the only thing is that it has this old user interface, just like VPN and I think Gecko VPN as well. And what's funny here is that the Flash VPN has the symbol of the Flash and the VPN has the symbol of the Batman. It's like they're just modern DC. Anyways, all I can say is this app works very well with every proxy. It has some ads and it has a decent amount of servers as well. So you can try it out for yourself to see if you like it. Alright, so all the links to the apps that I've talked about today will be in the description. And if you have an app that you use that I didn't mention, just leave it in the comments and maybe I'll make a part 2 of this video. And if you haven't used any app and this is the first time you are getting a list of apps like this, then let me know the app you'll be using from this video. And maybe we'll be using the same app, who knows. Anyways, that's been it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it very valuable. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, stay safe and bye-bye.